How to create a typewriter text animation in Canva. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a typewriter text animation in the easiest way possible in less than 5 minutes. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more tutorials like these. Let's get started. Let's browse to the Canva home screen and click on Create a New Design. And let's go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a New Design. Let's change the background color to something interesting. Let's go up here and click on Colors and scroll down and choose the Gradient Color option. Let's select this background color for this example. Okay, now we have to go on the left hand side and click on Text and add a heading here. Let's write Typewriter Effect. Okay, now we have to change the font. Let's go up here and click on Fonts and choose a font from the options available. Let's select this font here. Now let's resize this text. To resize, we can simply click and drag this text like this, or we can go up here and increase the font size from here. Now let's change the color of this text. To change the color, we have to go up here and choose any color from the options available. For now, let me select this color here. Okay. Select this text and go up here and click on Spacing and adjust the letter spacing to around 50. Make sure that this text is aligned in the center of this template. Now let's go and click on Animate. As you can see on the left hand side, we have a lot of options to choose from. Let's scroll down and select Typewriter Animation Effect. And let's adjust the speed here. See, that was so easy. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these, and please add a comment if you have any questions.